I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and Colin and I are going to do a Green Chef cooking thing. You know, there's 3 meals in here. We actually did review Green Chef 5 years ago.
Oof.
I went back and I watched our old videos and we loved it at the time, but they've made a bunch of changes since then, so I thought that we would, you know, check them out, see what's going on.
See what we got.
So one of the major changes that they've made is that they have different diets. So this one is the plant-based, vegan, or vegetarian meals.
I'm out. See ya. I'm gonna go eat some salami for dinner.
But they also have keto and paleo, as well as just like balanced diet. So, you know, you've got a variety of different things. And I like that they do that. And you can change it weekly if you decide that, you know, this week I'm a vegetarian, next week I'm all meat all the time. So I thought that we would do all of them. So this one is the plant-based, and then next week we'll do like a keto paleo one.
I like it. I don't like these.
Oh, all the little ads.
Premium ingredients call for a semi-large amount of advertisements. Don't know, just take the envelope, put it in the recycle bin. I understand they need to make money. I don't always agree that that's the way to do it. So, okay, what do we got? We got artichoke. It says crab cakes. Crab is in quotes.
That's because there's no crab in it.
What else we got? Black bean and mushroom enchiladas. Woman, you're killing me.
They're gonna be
And Japanese vegetable fritters, which I actually highly recommend because I've had those before and those are delicious.
Let's start with
Can
those.
we do those? Okay, I'm actually excited about this one. The other one you may not see me on film for, but I'm excited about those. Oh, they're actually in the proper bags.
They
I
put
like
them in
that.
bags. Okay,
Yeah.
this is new.
From a product perspective, I am so happy when I see things are individually like takeout, you know, ready to go stuff. This one's very soggy.
Oh dear.
Because it's got the large semi-frozen, frozen things on the bottom.
Okay.
And it's been pretty warm here in LA. So as long as it's not melted, I'll be very, very happy. One of our friends was nice enough to give me a drink to try, actually, and a whole bottle of champagne. So I've got good friends. So this is a French 75. This is champagne and some sort of delicious mix. What was the mix
what is
on
in
here?
the mix?
Gin, simple syrup, lemon juice, and champagne. French 75 was a large anti-personnel gun, and so it was supposed to hit you with the...
Like that?
Yeah, it was supposed to hit you like that. So, yeah, I think this came out in like early 1900s, and there was a bar in New York and a bar in Paris, and it's just a 1-to-1 ratio.
I'm just gonna do one.
Perfect. The world right now needs more dinner plus drink kits.
Right.
So, if you could make that, that's our recommendation immediately, is that they need to
Dinner and drinks.
include dinner and drinks, yes.
You could get a Green Chef and a shaker and spoon.
Right? Yeah, just combine them. That is no joke. That is really, really good. I'm usually not a fan of gin. Gin on its own, I don't like. Gin and champagne, I actually really like that.
That is really strong.
Yeah, that is...
I would recommend putting 2 parts champagne.
Yeah. No, this is good. Thank you to my buddy Jason for that one. That is excellent. All right, so what do we got? We got pickled ginger Sriracha Aioli. Oh, I love these little egg cartons.
Oh, is that a single egg?
There's another single egg in there because evidently they don't make double egg things. But hey, it's perfectly good
That's adorable.
little egg. And yeah, oh man, if I'd only had these in junior high for the egg drop, I would have been set. We got a tiny package of flour. There's a lot of stuff in here. Another tiny package of flour. Evidently they didn't make one double that size. Some edamame, some scallion, some rice, tamari marin sauce. Yeah, it's just weird that it's in a bag.
Recycle me.
Non-meat substance. Cashews. Oh,
Broccoli.
this cashews bag says it contains cashews. You know, I'd be more worried if it didn't say that.
Right? May contain nuts.
And a whole bunch of assorted vegetables. Okay, excellent. Oh, geez, I almost, what is it, more flour? It's another one of flour. There's individual tablespoons of flour. Like, I get it, but...
They probably just have a stockpile of, you know,
Well, I'm
one
sure.
tablespoon at a time.
Yeah.
These are cute, though.
And everything on it says recycle me.
And everything is supposed to be organic as well. Bring long grain rice, 1 1/4 cups water, and about a 1/4 teaspoon salt to a boil in a small pot. Go with the smallest.
Okay. Pouring in
It
rice.
doesn't say anything about rinsing the rice or anything, so
Nah.
pour it in.
Why?
So one of the things when you sign up is you can choose either 3 or 4 meals, and you can choose up to 12 people. So we just got, you know, the box for 2 people and 3 meals, but I like that they have that option.
So if
Many
you're running a
options.
hippie commune,
Right, 12 is a lot.
that's a lot, man.
Finally chop the cabbage and carrots. These are already kind of chopped. Do you think we need to?
Those are roughly chopped.
Yeah, okay. food processor chop?
Yes.
I think. It says into rice-sized pieces. Wait, there's a star. If you have a food processor, use the S-shaped blade to quickly chop your cabbage and carrots instead. Perfect.
Do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna chop up the scallions.
Okay, do it.
By the way, is my new Misen knife? Misen? I don't know. It's this company out of Brooklyn that is making affordable, super nice knives.
How affordable are they?
I think this one's like 65 maybe or something like that. It wasn't too bad because like our other knives, the global ones are like, I don't know, $100 each or something.
Yeah,
so
global ones are money. This is a super nice knife though. I really
it's
like it.
really nice. I like the shape and the feel of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple, you know, there's nothing fancy about it, but it has a really heavy handle. It's weighted,
Yeah.
which I actually kind of like. It feels like in your hand.
There's no Bluetooth.
There's no Bluetooth.
No steps. Doesn't do your heart rate. It is fairly simple, but it does slice stuff pretty well, so I'll give it that.
I like it. I like it a lot. Okay,
Oh, I like how they have one thing per line. They have one instruction per line. Generally, they'd give you like a paragraph of instructions, and so if you ever needed to go back, you're like trying to find where in the middle of the paragraph your instructions were.
Yeah.
Super difficult.
I kept getting confused and screwing up all the recipes because of it, so I like the little bubbles.
Oh, you could even check them off as you did them.
Ooh.
What? Yeah, I'm not going that far.
That's a little crazy.
Cut broccoli into bite-sized pieces, if necessary. Roughly chop dry roast cashews, roughly chop edamame, and roughly chop pickled ginger. Okay.
There's a lot of chopping.
A lot of chopping. That's okay.
I'm gonna chop this, I'm gonna chop this. Hey, you're throwing broccoli everywhere, young man.
Make fritter mixture. Ah, yes. Crack eggs into a large bowl and about 1.5 tablespoons of the sauce. Let's see, is it 1.5 tablespoons? It looks approximately that much.
They're supposed to be pre-portioned.
I would like to test that theory.
Okay.
That's a 1. It's a half.
Okay.
That is way more than 1.5.
Yeah, maybe we use more later or something. Here, put it in the egg bowl.
But still...
Because, yeah, that's kind of awkward when you're not...
Super awkward.
All right.
No me gusta.
Set that over here. Hopefully I won't knock it over.
Add flour. How much flour? All the flour? I'm assuming all the flour. Okay, and then we need a 1/4 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. So just a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper.
Salt.
Salt is in.
Pepper.
Cabbage and the carrots. Can you?
Cabbage.
I realize, don't use a small bowl for this. You know, the fact that they said large bowl in the beginning and I didn't read it, I'm only going to put 50% on them for not putting that in a larger font.
There, now it's like it never happened.
You know, when you say there, it's like it never happened to the camera. It's almost like it happened more.
Pardonnez-moi.
Add cabbage and carrots and half of the scallions. All right. Okay, mix thoroughly to form a cohesive mixture. Okay, cook fritters. Heat about 1.5 tablespoons cooking oil in a large non-stick over medium heat until simmering.
Look, my spatula even matches the one they have in the picture.
Oh my god.
I know, right? I just grab a spoonful and put it in there.
I mean,
Seems okay.
Add 2 to 3 large spoonfuls, about a 1/4 cup each. This thing's only supposed to make 4 to 6, so definitely grab some. Yeah, sure, just dump it on there. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's good. You want to do like 3 at a time here? Tiny bit more there. Pancake size. If you've ordered the mini pancakes, then it would be pancake size. If you had any normal high-end pancake establishment, these would be
I feel
small.
like this is really juicy. Like I expected it to be a thicker mixture.
Thank you for doing that.
Oh, sorry, did I splash you?
Alright, let's try flipping them. See if they're flippable. Ooh, those look very flippable.
Hey,
Whoa,
look at
those look good. I'm 0% surprised. Oh, those look so good.
Hey.
Schmancy.
I know. I don't know why I'm so surprised that it's doing what it says it was supposed to do.
Let me get a plate. Yeah, definitely more watery than the pictures showed, Becca was pointing out, but they seem to turn out okay. I mean, there are eggs in there, so that kind of
That's true. That's
makes
true,
sense that they kind of egg up like that.
Right. So this one is vegetarian. I think our other two are vegan. They're gonna be delicious. Just wait.
See you on the next video. I mean, the one with the meat one. So it happened all like the sausage boxes and the charcuterie plates and...
Charcuterie.
Right? Alright, I think we're good. You want to check them? It's
Yeah,
not like you can undercook vegetables. And then, yeah, all the broccoli. All right, 6 minutes. That puts us at about 6:30.
A lot of downtime. You know, some meals I feel like I'm rushing to like do all this stuff. Is it time to add the cashews?
All right, no, not quite yet, but those are starting to burn, so let's do it. Add cashews, stir, cook 1 to 2 minutes until they're lightly toasted. Yeah, so far not too bad.
Yeah, super easy.
Yeah, here, I'll do this if you want to go get started on the rice.
Okay.
Oh, actually, on the rice, add edamame and most of the ginger to the pot and then stir. This is edamame studded rice. Not stuffed, studded. Stuffed would be hard. Okay, and then let's add the rest of that sauce. Flip the rice, add edamame and most of the ginger, combine. Okay, and then that's it.
Ginger, I forgot the ginger.
Oh, ginger.
And most of the ginger, it said?
Yep.
Was I supposed to chop the ginger?
Yeah.
Big slice? Oh, I was?
In the
Seriously?
very beginning, remember?
Oh, I missed that step.
Yeah, it said roughly chopped pickled ginger.
Dang it. Well, we have giant chunks of ginger in the rice now.
And then we will shingle some fritters over the rice. Let's get some of these guys on here. Drizzle the Sriracha Aioli over to taste. How much would you like?
A little?
Good?
Yeah, good.
All right,
You can always add more.
I'm gonna aioli the heck out of these suckers, man.
Okay, I'm gonna chop up the remaining ginger.
What?
I am super excited about this. It looks beautiful.
All right, let's give it a shot. Very gingery, very bright.
I think the fritters could probably use more salt,
A little bit.
but I like the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
The aioli is good. The rice is super yummy. Let me try the broccoli and cashews. Super yummy.
Yeah, everything in here is really good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, overall, I'm really impressed. I think for the first meal, the instructions were really good. They were well written. They were just overall well presented, which I found is certainly not the case with all of these. You just expect that as sort of a bare minimum, and it's not that way with a lot of these.
Right.
So I like that a lot. I think this is definitely something that one person can cook. It's got the separation of the prep and the actual cook work nicely evened out, so you're not doing 1,200 things at the same time like we've seen with other, like some of the other ones. There's no way. It's like, oh, you got to cook all these 3 dishes, at the same time, and each one of them can only be done for 1 minute, and then you have to read this paragraph for the next part. Like you can't do that.
Right. No, this was very easy, simple.
Yeah.
I never felt rushed or
Yeah.
anything.
So
And it tastes good.
yeah, first one down. I really enjoyed it. I liked it a lot.
I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna have 2 more meals in the vegan, vegetarian, plant-based box. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Definitely make sure that you watch out for our next 2 videos, as well as any of our other cooking videos. They're always fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!